The early Tesla Model S is infamous for its exorbitant repair costs, particularly stemming from its expensive battery replacements, which often exceed the vehicle's current market value. Additionally, common issues with the Tesla Model S, such as faulty door handles and water leaks, can lead to costly repairs and various electrical malfunctions. In contrast, the Subaru Impreza, despite Subaru's solid reputation, faces significant issues like CVT failures and excessive oil consumption, presenting a financial risk for potential buyers. Similarly, the Jaguar X-Type, intended as an affordable luxury sedan, suffers from serious transmission problems that incur expensive repairs, detracting from its perceived prestige. Many owners report harsh shifts and failures. Both the Jaguar X-Type and BMW models reflect a troubling trend of high repair costs and reliability concerns, challenging their reputations as dependable luxury vehicles. This poses a significant deterrent for prospective used car buyers. Moreover, the BMW X5 diesel model is notorious for air suspension failures and expensive diesel component replacements, transforming what should be a luxury vehicle into a financial liability for its owners. Repair bills can escalate rapidly. The emission system of the BMW X5 diesel is similarly infamous for its costly repairs, often leaving owners grappling with thousands in unanticipated expenses once the warranty period expires. On another note, the Nissan Murano faces issues with a troublesome sunroof and a failing continuously variable transmission, both of which can pose safety hazards and lead to high repair costs for owners. Additionally, the Chevrolet Cruze is plagued by severe transmission failures and coolant leaks, frequently resulting in costly repairs that overshadow its initial affordability and practicality. Despite its charming design, the Fiat 500 grapples with a myriad of reliability problems, including fragile suspension components and persistent electrical issues that leave owners frustrated. These factors diminish its appeal as a city car. Common complaints among Fiat 500 owners include excessive oil consumption and frequent clutch replacements, which add significant inconvenience and financial burden. These issues underscore the vehicle's lack of durability in everyday settings. The Dodge Journey, initially promoted as a versatile family SUV, is now infamous for mechanical flaws, particularly concerning its automatic transmission. This often results in costly repairs that dishearten many owners. Critically, the Dodge Journey is scrutinized for persistent overheating and poor safety ratings, rendering it an unreliable choice for families in search of a dependable vehicle. Its inherent design flaws contribute to elevated repair costs. Likewise, the Land Rover Discovery Sport struggles with electronic system failures and engine reliability issues, resulting in high maintenance expenses that leave many owners disappointed, contradicting its luxury vehicle status. Lastly, the Hyundai Santa Fe Sport is burdened by catastrophic engine failures, excessive oil consumption, and airbag system malfunctions. These defects pose significant safety risks and create financial liabilities for their owners.